Ini parah nih. Tenang, tenang.
Panik deh, ya panik ya.
Epic gitu Ayla, epic.
Oh, these aren't homemade. They were made in a factory. A bomb factory. They're bombs.
And why are you acting so nervous? And why are you sweating so much? And why do you look so hungry? And
No, 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 no.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink? Eat too much and you'll get sick.
What kind of place is this?
Oh my god, Allah kabur.
Gak bisa.
Anak kecil, pulang saja.
Here and enjoy myself. I'm not even gonna think about you know who at the you know what doing I don't care. Just gonna relax.
Mang, ayam monster.
Jangan takut.
Tembak. Dor. Aduh, sakit.
Selalu gua datang.
Apa tuh?
Ya nggak tahu, tanya yang mau tanya saya.
Udah nyampe mandangan.
Wah, ngerti. Gue nggak ngerti. Gue nggak paham.